In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Base44 to build a professional website from scratch using simple prompts. Let's get started. I'll begin by navigating to the main dashboard where it asks what I want to build next. In the text field, I'm typing a detailed prompt for a modern business landing page, specifying a header navbar, a hero section with the title Grow Your Brand, a services section, and a professional footer. Once I'm happy with the description, I click the arrow to start the generation process. Now Base44 begins designing the website. On the left panel, I can see the AI thinking and planning the structure. It's laying out the landing page components, including the navigation and various sections. It starts setting up the design tokens and generating custom images like the hero background and service textures. Once the process is complete, the AI provides a summary of the design, featuring a sleek blue on-scroll navbar and a massive parallax hero section. To take it live, I click on the Publish button in the top right corner, set the visibility to public, and hit Publish App. My site is now live at a custom URL. Opening the link, I can explore the finished product, which includes smooth scrolling, interactive service blocks with a marble texture background, and a fully functional Start the Growth call to action. Base44 has successfully turned a simple prompt into a high-performance, polished website in just a couple of minutes. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.